In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in New Hampshire. Visit the New Hampshire Secretary of State website, go to the Business Service section to access the LLC forms or filing information, choose the correct form, select the Amendment of Certificate of Formation form to update your LLC principal or registered office address. Provide your LLC details, enter your LLC's legal name, current address and new address that you want to update. Verify the information. Carefully review all your information to ensure it's all accurate before you submit to avoid any delays. Submit the forms and pay the fee. File the amendment online or by mail and pay the filing fee as required by New Hampshire. Update external records. After the change is approved by New Hampshire, update your address with the IRS, bank, vendors and other relevant parties that you know are now changing your LLC's address. Now you know how to change your LLC address in New Hampshire. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.